The great irony of the warming planet is that as the ice retreats, the walls go up. We spent decades treating the Arctic as a pristine neutral wilderness, only to realize it is actually the world's most valuable piece of real estate currently coming on the market. As the glaciers melt, they are revealing not just new shipping lanes, but the most sophisticated toll booth ever constructed. At Unseen Markets, we look past the environmental tragedy to the brutal geopolitical math of 2026, where the Kremlin is currently installing a maritime lock on the top of the world. The Cold Gate strategy is no longer a theoretical exercise. It is a physical reality following the completed deployment of S-500 Prometheus elements along the Gaden Peninsula and the Kerch Strait. By placing the world's most advanced interceptor systems capable of hitting targets at altitudes of 200 kilometers and ranges of 600 kilometers along the Northern Sea route NSR, Moscow has effectively created a kill switch for global trade. These are not just air defense batteries. They are orbital and maritime gatekeepers designed to neutralize anything from low Earth orbit satellites to hypersonic glide vehicles. In 2026, Russia has concluded that they do not need to conquer the Arctic to own it. They just need to make the transit physically impossible for anyone who refuses to pay the sovereign ransom. The logic behind this move is a direct response to the chaos in the Strait of Hormuz, with traditional shipping lanes paralyzed by insurance spikes and naval blockades. The NSR has transitioned from a hazardous shortcut to the only viable alternative for Asia to Europe trade. Russia is betting that as the ice clears, the NSR will handle over 40 million tons of cargo this year alone. By controlling the choke points with Prometheus batteries, they are establishing a sovereign toll system. If you want the 40% reduction in sailing time that the Arctic offers, you will use Russian icebreakers, you will pay Russian transit fees, and you will do so under the shadow of a missile system that can reach into space to blind your navigation. This move has turned the high north into a hair-trigger military front, as evidenced by last month's NATO Cold Response 2026 exercise. With 32,500 troops maneuvering across Norway and Finland, the West is attempting to demonstrate a total defense capability in a region where the ground is literally shifting. Russia's response has been a series of live fire warnings that coincide with NATO's drills, a clear signal that the Northern Sea route is no longer international water, it is a private corridor. The Arctic is no longer a scientific frontier, it is the new Petrostrait. And Moscow just installed the lock. Stop watching the ice melt. Watch the missile ranges. Welcome to the Unseen Markets.